friend of mine has, this was his son's. The third slide was stuck. To get that slide out, I just tore off this sleeve of this shirt, and I put that, wrapped it in the end of it, levelled it out. Obviously what was in the trumpet. Then put this end into the vise. I just gave a little, just pulled the trumpet back, and it popped straight out. So that took maybe 20 seconds to fix. Well, a minute, including tearing the sleeve off. But what do we got here? This is a Jupiter trumpet, so it's a student trumpet. It's not a great instrument, but it's not a terrible instrument. But it's been, obviously you can see, fairly badly dinged. It's fallen and looks like it's hit about here. Well, maybe here actually. So I grabbed this. This has actually improved a little bit. I put it over my knee and just started pushing. Yeah, I put it over my knee and started just pushing on the flange, and it stretched it out a bit. So I'm going to have a little go at seeing if I can remove some of these wrinkles. Stephen, if you watch this, I don't think he wants to spend money on repairing the bell. The valves were stuck, but I put some oil on them and they were fine. So actually plays okay. It's a little light. Well, actually it's not that light. I don't have all the slides in it. But I'm going to have a little go following tutorials that I've seen online. I've got this piece of nylon. Thanks, Pete. You'll probably never watch this. I was looking for something maybe 19mm, 20mm, 3/4. I don't have that. This is what, about 50mm. But basically you just use this nylon and rub on the high spots to start with. So I'm going to give it a crack and see how we go. Basically pulling on it to try and reverse what was done. You basically, from what I've heard, if you think it's been hit here, you pull it back from there. But I'm pushing on the peaks. Okay, I went in. I couldn't help myself. Sorry. I couldn't help myself. I went in and I just tapped that down. I don't have the right tool to get in and do that bit there, but yeah, I'd really like to do a little bit better on that, but I'm a bit worried about if someone else decides to get this fixed. I don't want the next person that, if they put it in and a professional repairer actually has a go at it, I don't want them to look at it and go, what on earth has this guy done? So if I leave it at this, I haven't really scuffed up the the varnish, the lacquer particularly, or anything. That crease there bothers me, but I don't have all the gear. I'm looking. There's a little bit of pitting down here and scratching. Oops, sorry. Pitting and scratching along here, which I'm pleased to see, because it seems that, yeah, all up along here. I don't think I've contributed particularly to that. So that'll do for the moment.